Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we off Samsung phone guys keyboard sound. Friends, you want to off guys your Samsung phone guys phone keyboard sound. So how can you off it today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So guys, we will on guys Samsung phone guys phone setting. After on phone setting, we will search here guys Samsung guys keyboard guys. We will tap here guys keyboard guys. As you can see Samsung phone guys keyboard setting guys. So guys, totally search guys Samsung phone guys keyboard sound. Friends, you can see Samsung phone guys keyboard sound guys. We will search here. So friends, you can see guys your phone system sound setting guys. Tap here guys, and friends click on system sound. Friends, you can see Samsung keyboard guys. We will off from here. So once your Samsung phone keyboard sound will off guys, you cannot use guys, you can check guys when you will use your keyboard guys, you can use easily your keyboard without any sound. So like that guys, we can off guys Samsung phone guys phone keyboard sound. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to off keyboard sound in Samsung mobile.